Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Continue sharing to divide lesson 5.8, page 199. This is a supporting video to help everyone and our dear students for further understanding. Let's see an example and see the way that we will use, inshallah. The normal way of long division that we will need to understand: 82 divided 5. So that is 82 divided 5. 8, we start with 8. Let me make this smaller. 8 divided by 5, that is how we read it. 8 divided by 5. So we ask ourselves, in the timetable of 5, what is the number that is closest to 8? Timetable of 5, standard with 5 times 1 equal 5. Then 5 times 2 equal 10. But we don't have 8. The closest thing is 5, right? So 5 times 1 equal 5. So the number up is basically the number you multiply by, like this. 1 times 5 equal 5. So basically I'm finding the number closest thing to the number I'm dividing, not the number itself. Equal or less, but not more. Equal or less, not more. Then I minus 8 minus 5 equal 3, and then I bring the next number down. Now I got 32. Now, also in the timetable of 5, what is the nearest number to 32? Think 5 times 6 equal 30, right? So up here I'm going to put 6. 6 times 5 equal 30. Put it down and then subtract, okay? Then 2 minus 0, 2, and 3 minus 2, 0. Now I got 2. 2 now is less than 5. So I cannot find 2 in timetable of 5, you know. The timetable of 5 is starting with 5, which is bigger than 2, right? So I cannot divide that smaller number over a bigger number. That's why it will become a remainder 2. Leftover means. So the answer of my division is 16 remainder 2. And finally, if you want to write this like that, like division, 82 divided 5 equals 16. Let me write it down better. 82 divided 5 equal 16 remainder 2. That is the answer of this division, which is called the quotient. Okay, the quotient is the answer of that division. Let's see one more example. Okay, let's start with the 7. It has 78. Start with the 7 is suitable because 7 is bigger than 3. Okay, so in timetable of 3, think of it: 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, so the closest thing is 6, right? 2 times 3. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. By the way, it's not necessarily to write this up here, this line. I'm just showing you that 2 is times 3 and the 6 is down. Okay, then the 6 is below the 7. 7 minus 6 equal 1. And then bring the 8 down. And then 18 divided 3. Think of the number they multiply. It is 6, because 3 times 6 equals 18. Now minus them, got 0, 0. There's no remainder in that question. Okay, let's see another one. 8 divided 3. Okay, so think of 3 times 2 equals 6, or 3 times 3 equals 9. But 9 is bigger than 8. so I can't put 9. So I will choose 2 times 3 equals 6 instead. Equal or less, not more, okay? So 8 minus 6 now equal 2, then bring the 6 down. 26 divided 3 equal 8. That's 8 times 3 equals 24. And then subtract, then 26 minus 24, 2. The remainder is 2. Okay, let's do one more question. Start with the 4. I cannot because 4 is less than 8. Now I will take 2 digits instead, 41. I know that 5 times 8 equals 40. So put 5 up and 40 down, then subtract. Now the 1 is down and bring the 7 after it. Now we got 17 divided 8. Now 8 times what equals 17 or less? 8 times 2, because 2 times 8 equals 16. Then subtract 1 and 0, so the remainder is 1. So you get 52, remainder 1. Okay, thank you boys for watching. I hope this video you find it helpful. See you next video, inshallah.